Yo, what's up? It's your boy PH, and for today's video I will teach you on how to properly uninstall your Android app. So watch. Alright, first off, first thing you're gonna do is locate this icon called settings. Alright, then after you locate it, just tap the settings icon, and after you're in here in the settings, locate the application option here underneath the smart manager, and top, and then here application manager, and then yeah, and when you're here, find any Android application that you want to uninstall, and mine was here, this Wirex, because I don't really need this. First off, when you are here in the application, locate storage here, tap storage, and then click cache, and then after that click clear data, and then after this force stop, so that it won't stop, it will stop working. And the reason why I clear this cache and all data, because if you just uninstall like this, and if you just long press this and then drag it into the uninstall section, and then and then that thing will be gone, but the cache and the data where lives, it lives because you didn't clear cache and clear data. I don't know where it gonna stuck, but it lives when you uninstall, just like what I did. But in this process, like, you clear the cache and clear the data, that's the proper way to uninstall an Android application. And then after all, force stop, and then uninstall, and then tap OK. Voila, that's it. I hope you got the idea and it works for you, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any video. Thank you. It's your boy PH. I'm out.